Today we can discuss beverages. Beverages, percentage of alcohol in beverages. There are so many items we can available as a part of beverages: brandy, whiskey, rum, wine, beer, arak, toddy, etc. Brandy is a type of fruit juice. Alcohol content in brandy is 40 to 50, whereas whiskey is cereal grain 40 to 55. Rum is molasses or sugarcane. Its alcohol content is 40 to 55. Wine, that is grapes also after fruits, and wine contain alcohol content is 10 to 22 only. Beer, it is a type of beverage we can obtain from cereals. 4 to 8 percentage of alcohol content is present in beer. Then arak, it is a type of paddy or wheat, and alcohol content is 50 to 60 percentage. And toddy, that is flowers of coconut and palm tree, alcohol content is about 5 to 10 percentage. And wine, beer, toddy and all alcohol content is very low. As far as other beverage, other liquid items, it contain brandy, whiskey, rum, which contain 40 to 50 percentage of alcohol content. So beverages can be considered or can be classified into two types, that is alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Alcoholic beverages again classified into fermented, distilled and compound. Fermented items means first one is wine. Second one, distilled item, that is whiskey, vodka, rum, brandy, tequila. Compound, then gin, liqueurs, bitters. These all are other items. Wine, that is again in stable, fortified, sparkling, aromatized. Wine and beers are considered as fermented alcoholic beverage. Distilled beverage is whiskey, vodka, rum, brandy, tequila. Then compound, that is gin, liqueurs, bitters, etc. So its type classification is alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverage, any fermented liquor such as wine, beer or distilled spirit that contain ethyl alcohol or ethanol as an intoxicating agent. Alcoholic beverage, any fermented liquor such as wine, beer, distilled spirit that contain ethyl alcohol or ethanol as an intoxicating agent. What about their caloric value of alcohol? Caloric value of alcohol is 7 kilocalorie per gram. 7 kilocalorie per gram. So alcoholic beverages are any fermented liquor such as wine, beer, distilled spirit that contain ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Alcohol beverage is any fermented liquor such as wine or beer or distilled spirit that contain ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol as an intoxicating agent. So we can calculate a question among this part, that is, what what is the intoxicating agent present in an alcoholic beverage? That is none other than ethanol, ethyl alcohol. And caloric value of alcohol is 7 kilocalorie per gram. So there are so many methods included in making wine and beer. So first step is crushing and de-streaming of grape. Crushing and de-streaming of grape. Second one is pressing and maceration. After that we will get a juice, and this juice undergoes fermentation. After that, maturation, and then fining and filtration. Then finally we will get a wine. So sulfiding process, crushing and de-streaming of grapes up to, and then changes to pressing and masterization is sulfiding. Then Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the microorganism present in when juice is changed into fermentation. Which microorganisms are present? It's very important. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Then beer, soaking and germination of barley. Which one is the main cereal present in a beer? That's barley. So soaking and germination of barley, then after that it's drying, it undergoes drying and killing. After that we will get a malt, and malt, undergoes malt. After that malt we will make milling process, undergoes milling process, and then it comes to mashing, then it into wort boiling. After that this wort boiling undergoes fermentation, then aging and beer. Aging, fermentation. After you put that fermented liquid in the aging process, after that we will get beer. So these are the beer. The process of making beer is known as brewing. The material used in the manufacture of beer are barley malt, cereals, adjutant, hops, water, and yeast. Ale is a one type of beer. It is prepared by using a fermenting yeast known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Brandy is another type of beverage that can be made from any fruit, and it is distilled from grape wine. So another type of beverage is fruit beverages. It can be prepared from fruit juices, fruit squashes, sarbat, etc. So these are the main important points regarding beverages. Keep watching Edge Learning Platform. Don't